Hello, my name is Deepak Kashyap. Uh, I have done Bachelor of Science with PCM. Currently, I am doing MSc with Maths. Today, I will teach class 10 Trigonometry. Okay, so let's start. This is a demo session for Vedantu. Okay, so this is for class 10th trigonometry. Okay, so first we will start with, we have to know a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle is, which means in a right angle triangle one angle will be 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. Okay, and just consider this is A and this is B and this is C. In a right angle triangle, this base AB, it is called base. And the altitude, this altitude BC is called perpendicular. It is called perpendicular. And this side AC, it is called hypotenuse. Okay, so this three things we have to learn. Base is this AB side is base, this perpendicular vertical side is called perpendicular, and this length is hypotenuse. Okay, so in trigonometry there are total 6 functions, which are sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Okay, so all the trigonometry is based on these trigonometric functions. These are called trigonometric functions. There are total 6. Total how many? Total 6 functions. Which one? Sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Okay, so full name of sine is actually SINE. Full name of cos is cosine. Full name of cos is cosine. Full name of tan is tangent. Full name of cot is cotangent. Full name of sec is secant. And full name of cosec is cosecant. Okay, so for convenient we use just only the starting term, we don't use the full term. Okay, like for sine we use only sine this. For cosine we use cos. For tangent we use tan, 3 letter. For cotangent we use cot. For secant we use sec. Or for cosecant we use cosec. Okay, now so with the help of this triangle we will find what is the value of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Okay, so this is hypotenuse side, this is the longest side of this triangle, and this is perpendicular and this is base. So what is the formula for sine? Actually sine theta is, where is the theta? So theta will be here. With the base. Always theta will be with the base and the hypotenuse. Yeah. So we will write sine theta. Sine theta is equal to. So sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular P upon hypotenuse H. Okay. Then we will take any values, some values, and then we will try to find the answer of other. So just first understand cos theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, so it will be B upon H. Okay, then third one is tangent. I am writing only the main letter tan. We said tan theta. So tan theta is perpendicular upon base. Then cotangent short form is cot only. So cot theta will be, wait, okay, so actually there are 3 main trigonometric functions: sine, cos, tan. Other 3 trigonometric functions are just opposite, reciprocal of the starting 3 trigonometric function. Okay, so tan theta, so reciprocal of tan theta is cot. Reciprocal of tan theta is cot. Okay, so tan theta is P by B. So cot theta will be B by P, base upon perpendicular. Okay, so same way reciprocal of cos is sec theta. Reciprocal of cos is sec theta. So cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. So sec theta will be hypotenuse upon base. Okay, same way reciprocal of cosec. Reciprocal of cosec is h upon p, hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So these are the trigonometric function, and value are given in front of that. So let's take any value and then we will try to find all the trigonometric function. Okay, so just think this length is 6 and the base is 8. Okay, perpendicular is 6 and base is 8. Anything we can take, just. And so first we have to find this side AC, hypotenuse side. So we will use the Pythagoras theorem. If there any triangle is right angle triangle, so we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. In Pythagoras theorem, the longest side, which is hypotenuse, so square of hypotenuse will be equal to the sum of other two sides. So here hypotenuse is AC. Okay, so what is the Pythagoras theorem? Square of longest side will be equal to sum of other two sides. ठीक है? Okay, so base AB square plus perpendicular is BC, so BC square. Okay, now, okay, what is the value of AB? We have assumed 8. So square means 8 into 8 will be 64, plus BC, square of BC will be 6. Square will be 6 into 6, so 36. So 36 plus 64, we will get 100. AC square is equal to 100. Okay, so AC will be, if you remove square here, you have to put square root in front value. Okay, so square root of 100 will be 10. Okay, so we got hypotenuse 10. Okay, now we can easily find all the trigonometric functions value: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Okay, so what will be the value of sine theta? So sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So what will be the value from this triangle? See, what is the perpendicular? 6. Perpendicular is 6 upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 10. So 6 by 10 is the answer. Okay, now cos theta is equal to B by H. So base upon hypotenuse. So base is 8 and hypotenuse is 10. So 8 upon 10 will be the answer. Okay, now tan theta is perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is 6 and base is 8, so it will be 6 upon 8. And I told you other three trigonometric functions are just reciprocal of these three. Okay, so what is the value of cot? We don't need to see now this triangle. From this value we can just reciprocate and we can find. Okay, so what is the cot? Cot is just reciprocal of 10. So tan theta is 6 by 8, so it will be 8 by 6 reciprocal. Just reverse it. Denominator will become numerator will become denominator. Okay, equal sec theta. So sec theta is reciprocal of cos. So cos is 8 by 10. So it will be 10 by 8. Okay, now cosec is reciprocal of sine. So sine is 6 by 10. So cosec will be 10 by 6. Okay, so this way we can find all the trigonometric functions. Okay, now I will erase this and we will sometimes they will give you one trigonometric function. they will give you one trigonometric function, and they will ask remaining trigonometric function. With the help of one given trigonometric function, we have to find other 5 trigonometric function. Okay, so let's do that type of question also. So I will erase this. Okay. Okay, just we can consider any value. Just consider, okay, tan theta. So tan theta I am considering 4/7 random. I am taking random value 4/7. Okay, so you have to find the remaining other 5 trigonometric function. Okay, so with the help of this triangle, first we will find the third side, and then we will find the remaining 5 trigonometric function. Okay, so tan theta is perpendicular upon base. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base, and perpendicular is given 4. Perpendicular is given 4. So 4 we will write here, and base is 7. Base is 7. So 4 BC is 4 and AB is 7. Okay, so with the help of these two sides, first we will find the third side, and then we will find remaining 5 trigonometric function. Okay, let's do. So again we will use the Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem is square of hypotenuse. Square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the remaining two sides. Okay, so let's do. So AC square, here we can do AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So we have to find AC. Just write AC. We don't know the AC. Okay, what is AB? AB is 7, and the square of 7 will be 49. 49. So we will write 49 there. Plus BC. What is BC? BC is 4. BC is 4, and the square of 4 will be 16. Square of 4 will be 16. Okay, 49 plus 16 we have to add. So 49 plus 16, it will be 65. It will be 65. So 65 is AC square, but we have to find AC, not AC square. So AC square is equal to 65. So AC will be under root 65. Here is a square, so you have to remove the square. Here you have to put under root. We got AC. So our AC, this length is under root 65 AC. Okay, with the help of, now we got all two sides are given already, and third we got. Now we can find all the remaining trigonometric function easily. Okay, so sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, right? So perpendicular is 4, and hypotenuse is 65, under root 65. So we will write under root 65. Okay, now cos theta. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. So base is 7 and hypotenuse is under root 65. So we will write 7 upon under root 65. Okay, 7 upon under root 65. Okay, cot theta. Cot theta is just reciprocal of tan theta. So tan is given 4/7. So we can write 7/4. I told you this is reciprocal. Okay, similarly we can find sec theta easily. Cos theta is 7/64. Sorry, 65. So what will be the sec theta? It will be the reverse. Numerator will become denominator, denominator will become numerator. So it will be under root 65 upon 7. Now cosec theta. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. So sin theta is 4 upon under root 65. So what will be the cosec theta? It is just reciprocate. So root 65 upon 4. Okay, root 65 by 4. Okay, so we understand how to find if they will give you triangle, two sides or all three sides. So we can easily find the all the trigonometry function, one type of question. Second type, I told you, sometimes they will give you one trigonometric function, any trigonometric function. Perhaps they can give 10, perhaps they can give cot, sec, cosec, cos, sine, anything, one trigonometric function they will give you, and you have to find the other trigonometric function. So I told you, first make right angle triangle, okay, then put what is the value is given, find the third side, then you know all the three sides, you can easily find all remaining trigonometric function easily. Okay, so I can erase this now. Sometimes third type is, sometimes they will give you any trigonometric function, okay, then they will ask any value of any expression, any term, or multiplication of two functions. This way they can ask. Okay, so we will do that type of question also. Okay, so just think any question. Sin theta is given 3/5. Sin theta is given 3/5, and they can ask find the value of cos theta plus tan theta upon cos theta minus tan theta. Okay, so this way they can ask. One, I told you sin theta is given 3/5, so with the help of this sin theta is equal to 3/5, we will find the value of cos theta plus tan theta and upon cos theta minus tan theta. For earlier in second type, we find the separately single values. Now they are giving a expression, so of this expression we will find the value. So process is same. We will make a triangle, right angle triangle, we will put two values, okay, then we will find the third side, after that we will put, with the help of that triangle, we will put the value of cos theta and tan theta here, and we will solve and we will get the answer. Okay, so sin theta is 3/4, so make right angle triangle, right angle at B. This is A, this is C. Okay, so sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so this perpendicular is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. Okay, now first we have to find this base AB. Okay, so again I told you, if two side is given and you have to find the third side of any right angle triangle, so we can use Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? It is square of the longest side, which is hypotenuse. Square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the remaining two sides. Okay, so what is the longest side? This AC. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC is given 5. So square of 5 will be 25. 5 into 5 is 25. AB we have to find, plus BC is 3, square of 3 will be 9. Okay, now we have to find AB square, so just transfer this 9 left side. Okay, so 25 minus 9 is equal to AB square. 25 minus 9 will be 16, is equal to AB square. Okay, but we have to find AB, not AB square. So AB will be under root 16. So we can write this way: AB is equal to under root 16, and square root of 16 is 4. So we will write 4 here. Okay. Now we can find this value. Okay, so what is cos here? First find the cos and tan. Cos theta. Okay, theta is here actually. So what is the cos theta? I told you, base upon hypotenuse. So base is 4 and hypotenuse is 5. Okay, then we can find tan also, tan theta. So what is tan theta? Tan theta is perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is 3 perpendicular is 3 and base is 4. Now we can put these two values here, so we will get our answer. Okay, so let's put here, this is our question, and we got these two values, cos theta and tan theta. We are not finding other trigonometric function because we need only cos theta and tan theta, right? With the help of sin theta, we got cos theta and tan theta only. We don't need sec theta or cosec theta or cot theta because they are not asking about that. Okay, so whatever they will ask, we will find that value only. So cos theta, what is cos theta? 4 by 5, just put here 4 by 5 plus tan theta. Tan theta is 3 by 4, so I will put here 3 by 4. Okay, see if you can see clearly, both value are just same, cos theta, tan theta, cos theta, tan theta. There is only difference with of sign. Upper side is plus and here denominator, in denominator there is minus. Okay, so we will write same value 4 by 5 and minus 3 by 4. Okay, after that we will solve this fraction and we will get the answer. Okay, let's do. 5 and 4, when denominator are different, what we have to do, we have to take LCM, then we can solve that fraction. Okay, so 4 and 5, LCM of 4 and 5 will be 20. 4 and 5 will be 20. So then what is the process? First we have to divide 5 with this 20. So 5 4 ja 20, 4 we got 4, and 4 into 4 is 16. 4 into 4 is 16 plus, then you have to divide this 20 by 4. So 20 by 4 we will get 5, and 5 into 3, 5 into 3 is 15. Okay, upon, so same thing we will get here, right? Just minus sign, so 16 minus 15 upon 20, right? 16 plus 15, 16 plus 15 is 31. 16, 20 20 we can cut, 20 20 is cut. So 16 plus 15 is 31 upon 16 minus 15 is just 1. So overall value is 31. So 31 is our answer. Okay, 31 is our answer. Okay, one question we can do of other type also. I will erase this. Okay, some trigonometric question is based on, they will give you angles, like what is the value of sine 30, what is the value of sine 45, sine 60, or big expression. So first we have to learn how to find the values, and we have to learn the chart. We have to learn the chart of trigonometric different values. Okay, we will use that, then we will put in your question, in our question. Okay, so how to make the chart? So write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and divide by 4. Divide by 4. Then take square root. Then take square root. So whenever you divide by 4 to 0, you will get 0. Okay, any value divided by 0, you will get infinite. Okay, and any 0 divided by any value, you will get 0. Okay, understand? If in denominator there is 0 and you are dividing any value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, anything, 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, you will get 0 only. But if you divide by 0 to any value like 10 by 0, 15 by 0, you will get infinite, because if you divide by 0, infinite means not defined. So the value like 5 upon 0, what is the answer? So it is not defined, so we write infinite. Okay, I will erase this, but this is important. So 0 by 4, So 0 by 4 we will get 0 only. 1 upon 4 square root, it is square root. Okay, so 4 will come out, so it will be 2, and upper side is 1, so 1 by 2, 1 by 2. This we can cut, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. So 1 will come out, it will become 1 only, and 2 can't come outside the square root, so we will write just square root 2. Okay, 3 can't come out of square root, so we will write 3 as it is, and 4 will come out, so it will become 2. Same here, 4 will cut, so we got 1, and square root of 1 is only 1. Okay, so actually this is the value of our sine. Okay, this is the value of sine. And what are these with different angles? So value of 0 degree, sine 0 degree is 0. Okay, then sine 30 degree, sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 upon root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. Sine 90 is 1. Okay, then how to find cos? So cos, what we have to do, just reverse this sequence. So sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 upon root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. Okay, just reverse this. So it will become 1 root 3 by 2. Okay, then 1 upon root 2, then 1 by 2, and sine cos 90 is 0. Okay, so let's just reverse this. Then now we will find tan theta. Okay, so tan theta, what is tan theta? There is actually formula. What is the formula? There is one formula, tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, so when we do ratio, we will find the ratio of these value, we can get 10. Okay, let's do 0 by 1. I told you 0 divided by any value you will get 0. Okay, so tan 0 is 0. Then 30, 2 will cut, so we will get 1 upon root 3. Okay, same thing, 1 upon root 2. If you cut, so you will get 1. Same thing. Then here 2 can cut. Okay, so root 3 you will get, and 1 upon 0. That's why I told you earlier this to how to find 0 by 1 or 1 by 0. If you divide by 0 to any value, you will get infinite. That means not defined. Okay, so here it is infinite. Okay, so tan 0 is 0, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, tan 45 is 1, tan 60 is root 3, tan 90 is infinite. Okay, so what will be the value of cot? Cot is, again, just reverse it, or you can reciprocate. I told you what is tan and what is the relationship between tan and cot. They are reciprocal of each other, so you can if you do reciprocal, you can get the value. Okay, so reciprocal of 1 is 1 upon reciprocal of 0 is 1 upon 0, so you will get infinite. See, otherwise just reverse it. Reciprocal of 1 upon root 3, reverse it. Reciprocal of 1 is 1 only. Okay, reciprocal of 1, root 3 upon 1 will be 1 upon root 3, and reciprocal of infinite is 0. So otherwise you can just reverse this table, so you will get the value of cot. Okay, now other two functions are remaining. Which one? Sec and cosec. So I will write sec, then cosec. Okay, I told you sec is reciprocal of cos. Okay, so let's do the reciprocal of all the values of cos. So we will get the value of sec. So reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Then reciprocal of 1 upon root 2 is root 2. Reciprocal, just reverse it. 1 upon 2 is 2, and 1 upon 0, reciprocal of 0 upon 1 will be 1 upon 0. So if you divide by 0 to any value, you will get infinite. So remember this. Okay, now the best way, you can just reverse also this value. So infinite, then 2, then root 2, then 2 by root 3, then 1. Okay, so this is our trigonometric values of different angle: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Okay, with the help of that, this we can find any questions, okay, of this type. So I will erase this.